In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions available on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and access Privacy. After that, click on Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, camera. Now pick one of your apps, maybe Chrome, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so I have to click on this option, tap on the back button, and as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. You can always go back though, pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go in Location to access my Google. Over here you need to scroll all the way down and click on See All Google Permissions instead. Finally, manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!